The Hurricane 9 is the world's coolest new fetch toy. It's time to reinvent your game of fetch with this 100+ foot gravity-defying flying ring launcher. Dog owners already love the Hurricane 9.
Hi, this is my dog Sharky, and these are your average dog toys. Got a frisbee, no interest. Sharky, get the bone. As soon as I pull this thing out, look, he goes crazy. He doesn't want to chase the ball, he just wants to chase the frisbee, but he
The Hurricane 9 ring launcher, built to give your dog maximum exercise in just a fraction of the time. It's made from durable EVA foam, which is built to withstand the sharpest teeth, so you don't have to replace the rings after just one game of fetch. Forget about those slobbery tennis balls. The Hurricane 9 works indoors, it floats, and yeah, you can take it to the dog park. All dogs love the Hurricane 9, even if your dog's not typically the type to chase a tennis ball. Within months after launch, the Hurricane 9 was already featured on the news.
Check this out. Fido.
While we've been teaching dogs, we've been talking to dog trainers too.
Something really great about this toy is that it also floats, so if you have an active dog who likes the water, it would be a great idea as well.
Like most of us, Emma's owner is a busy person, and so she doesn't get that daily exercise that studies show is proven to make a healthy, happy pup. And so she's left to dream of that blissfully exhausting game of fetch. After just 2 launches, your dog has already run the length of a whole football field. And it's easy to use. You just load the ring, pull it back, and release. And to use it inside, just pull it back part of the way. And if you're feeling old-fashioned, just throw it without the launcher. You go, Tiger. It also doubles as a great training aid. The Hurricane 9 comes with 3 rings, with 6 rings, or with 6 rings sold separately. The Hurricane 9 is now for sale at hurricane9.com, so your dog could be flying through the air with a better workout, a better toy, and a lot more fun. Order yours today and share us with your other dog-owning friends.
Introducing Brilliant Pad, the world's first indoor self-cleaning potty pad system that gives you freedom and flexibility with better hygiene for you and your dog. Here's how it works. The dog goes potty and the pad absorbs liquids and begins to dry out solids. Then the system replaces the soiled pad with a fresh, clean one. A barrier lining wraps and seals waste to lock away odor. The system is hands-off for weeks at a time, then disposal is fast, easy, and clean. Simply replace the used roll with a new one. Each roll equates to 27 traditional pads. Brilliant Pad is also better for the environment. The pads use 1/3 less material than traditional pads. And the end caps and rods are biodegradable. Brilliant Pad gives your dog a healthy option when they're sick or need to go in the middle of the night, and they won't get uncomfortable from holding it too long. Brilliant Pad is automatic, clean, and convenient. Waste and odor are sealed away. It provides freedom and flexibility and improves health and hygiene for you and your dog. Relax. Brilliant Pad has you covered like no other indoor solution. Spend less time cleaning and more time loving. Buy Brilliant Pad today.
We all know what it's like to leave our dog at home every day when we need to go to work. They have to stay alone from 9 to 7, and that's not fun for them. Or for you. So for you and your dog, we created Leica. Leica is a life companion for your dog. It is similar to a mobile terrestrial robot that you can control with your smartphone from anywhere. Leica is equipped with a camera, a microphone, a speaker, and a treat tosser that can be used to reward your dog. This makes your dog love Leica while having fun playtimes together. We also developed a tracker to keep tabs on your dog and adapt based on your dog's behavior. So if you're busy and your dog needs attention, Leica's autonomous mode turns on and take care of your dog until you're back.
What if your dog started pooping gold? Gold coins. Or even liquid gold. What if there were a magic solution that could collect all your dog's poop without any direct hand contact? Because, in reality, your dog doesn't poop gold. Introducing Pick-a-Poo, a dog parent's dream. Pick-a-Poo is made up of two parts, a rounded clip of soft silicone cushions that secures comfortably around your dog's tail, and a durable disposable collection bag that hangs beneath. Place Pick-a-Poo on your dog's tail before you go out for a walk. And when he is ready to poop, all the droppings fall directly into the collection bag. When your dog is finished pooping, you just unclip the bag and throw it away, with no mess and no leakage. In the real world, dog poop is not gold. We love our dogs, but don't love cleaning up after them.
We designed Pick-a-Poo so there never has to be contact between the poo and your hands, or even on the ground. Everything goes straight into the bag. And on those days after your dog ate something he shouldn't have, Pick-a-Poo can handle any bathroom situation, no matter what type of gold comes out. Most importantly, we wanted to make sure that Pick-a-Poo would be dog friendly. We've given the Pick-a-Poo to more than 100 dogs of different breeds and sizes, and the feedback has been incredible.
With Pick-a-Poo, you will never need to pick up dog poop again.